Now you might be having a doubt how such a lazy boy became a world renowned architect. Here is the answer for that. In the College for Architecture, who got less than 85 percentage mark was not allowed to enter. And how much mark did this Hafiz contractor have? 50 percentage. He wanted to join the army, but he could not do that. His mother did not want him to join the police also. So he was asked to join a college, that is Jai Hind College in Mumbai. There he had to learn either French or German. Though he had studied French for 7 years, he did not know even 7 words of French. So he took German. But what happened? The German teacher died. The college said either learn French or change the college. There is no chance for joining another college. So he thought of learning French. He went to his cousin to learn French. She was an architect's wife. So, learning French, going to an architect's office, but that is what he did. One day, just by chance, he saw somebody drawing a window detail. So, a window detail is a very advanced drawing. So, Hafiz contractor said to that man, "You're drawing wrong, the window won't open." Then he had a bet with that man, but later he understood the man was wrong. The man understood he was wrong. So the cousin's husband, he was surprised. He asked Hafiz to draw many things and he did it well immediately. So he asked Hafiz to design a house. He designed a house. Then he said, "Join architecture. You are meant for that." They went to meet the principal of an architecture college, but he said, "If you write the entrance exam and pass in the entrance exam, we will give you admission." He wrote the entrance exam and he got A+. From that day, it was a cakewalk for him. He had never made a plan, but he knew how things looked like from the top, from the section, like that. He had a friend called Behram Divecha. They had competitions between them for designing forts, guns, and ammunition. So they would design something in an effort to be different. Those things helped him in designing buildings. And again in school, he remembers a teacher, Mrs. Gupta. When he was in second or third standard, she saw his sketches and told, "You are useless in everything, but your sketches are really good. So when you grow up, you become an architect." So when he really became an architect, he went to meet her and tell her that indeed he had become an architect. He adds that the class toppers, they are doing very ordinary jobs today, whereas those who were really enjoying the classes or the pranks, they had become something great. So he says that in school, the lives there that actually made them street smart. He had learned many things by doing on his own than what academics could have taught him.
When it is raining, what is that you observe? Some may be listening to the song of the rain. Some may be watching the beauty of the rain. Some may be looking at the water which is falling from a pipe. Some may be disturbed by the noise of the rain. Do you know what Hafiz contractor thought of? When it was raining, he thought of building a dam which would block the rainwater and make use of the rainwater. So what was in his mind was construction. Construction was there in his mind from a very young age, from his school age. Okay. But in order to realize that, he had to reach the college, he had to go to the architect's office to learn French, from where he understood that his specialization or his treasure or his ability is there in the construction field. So in end of the chapter, Hafiz contractor says, call it instinct, call it arithmetic, whatever. Now it comes to me like mathematics, putting design, construction, psychology, and sociology together and making a sketch from all that is mathematics. So, what is mathematics according to Hafiz Contractor is bringing all the things together, that is, designing, construction, psychology, and sociology, all things together and making a sketch out of all these things. That is what is mathematics for Hafiz Contractor. What is mathematics to you? Find it out.